Good morning, students. Today we are going to read a story, Bamboo Curry, which is a Santhal folktale. So, firstly, you should know the meaning of folktale. Folktale, a very old traditional story that has been passed down from one generation to another in a spoken form. Spoken form. In Hindi, we say it Lok Katha. We listen many stories from our grandparents, which are folktale. So, this folktale is a Santhal folktale. So, firstly, you should know about Santhal people. Santhal people actually are one of the major tribes residing in our country. So, according to Wikipedia, the Santhal or Santal are the ethnic group native to India and Bangladesh in South Asia. Santhal are the largest tribe in the Jharkhand state of India and in terms of population and are also found in the states of Assam, Bihar, Odisha and West Bengal. They are the largest ethnic minority in northern Bangladesh, Rajshahi division and Rangpur division. They have a sizable population in Nepal and Bhutan. These all are the neighbor countries, our neighbor countries. The Santhals mostly speak Santhali, the most widely spoken of the Munda languages. So, firstly, you should know the location of these states and some of the countries related to this chapter. So, students, in our country, you may see the location of Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha. Firstly, Jharkhand, then the location of West Bengal, Odisha, then Bihar. You may see Assam also. If you talk about the neighbor countries, you may see the location of Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. Children, you know there are many hill stations in Nepal and Bhutan. They are also our friend countries, so you may visit these countries also. So, children, we were talking about Santhal. So, if you talk about the population of Santhal people in Jharkhand, firstly, the total population. So, it's 7.4 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. It means 7.4 million means 74 lakhs. So, if you talk about the population of Santhal in Jharkhand, it's 27 lakhs 52,723. These population are based on the census of 2011. You know census? Census simply means the counting of population. On second position, it's West Bengal with the population of 25 lakhs 12,331. And in Odisha, it's 8 lakhs 94,764. If we talk about the population of Santhal people in Bihar, it's 4 lakh 6,076. And in last, if we talk about their population in Assam, so it's 2 lakh 13,139. You may see the location of the concerned states and countries once again. So, children, now I hope that you all have been now familiar with the term Santhal. So it's a Santhal folktale. And what happened? Children, one day the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. You know bridegroom? Bridegroom means newlywed boy. So children, he visited his mother-in-law house. So in our house also, when some guests arrives, when some guests arrive at our house, so our mother cooks some special dishes for them. Likewise, the Santhali mother-in-law cooked a special dish, and it was curry. Then the bridegroom said, "This curry is very delicious. What is it?" He wanted to know about this curry. So the mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. It means she said that it is made from bamboo. So next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. And why? Why was he remembered? Because he wanted to have it once again. So he wanted to cook it at his own house. So he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So what he did? So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. And on reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with the bamboo door." Children, she was shocked. And why was she shocked? Because she know how to make or how to cook bamboo curry. So she said that how can I make curry out of a bamboo door? But the Santhali bridegroom wanted to have this. So he said that, "Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo." Chopping means cutting into small, very small pieces. So he said that, "I will help you by chopping up the bamboo." His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it and he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." Children, why was it hard? Because it was made from bamboo door, and bamboo door is so hard, so it can't be boiled. And his wife tried her best to cook it properly, but she failed to cook. His wife added more water and boiled it, and it was still too hard, and the bridegroom could not eat it. Then the in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" Children, it was a big joke for the Santhali bridegroom because he didn't know how to cook curry from bamboo, and it was actually bamboo shoot from which the curry is made. Shoot? Bamboo shoot means the small bamboo plant. You may say it, young branch. So this was all about the Santhal folktale. Now we move to the exercise of this story. So firstly, let's write. So children, the first question is, complete the sentences meaningfully. First, the bridegroom lived with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of bamboo, and there was no bamboo in his village. Now the second sub-question of first question. The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because it was too hard to be eaten. Now second question, word hunt. So in it, fill in the blanks with words from the story. First, the bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. The bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. Second, the mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Third, he stayed the night with his in-laws. Fourth, he carried the bamboo door back with him. And the last, fifth, the curry was made from bamboo shoots. Now you have to say aloud. Impatient. Impatient. Delicious. Delicious. Boiled. Boiled. Chopped. Chopped. Bamboo. Bamboo. Began. Began. So children, I hope you all would understood and enjoyed this chapter very much, as well as you'd have a better knowledge and understanding about the Santhal people and its location in India and some neighbor countries also. That's all. Thank you.